Hi, selling price update is very simple and fast in simpliRP. Please note, the products shown are just an example and does not represent real prices or product. Go to enter new price for item. Click on bulk price update. Enter the date from when the prices are applicable. Enter few letters of items. All the relevant items in that group will appear. Just enter the selling prices without tax. This is because simpliRP will automatically calculate taxes applicable at the time of sales. Click update. That's all. Prices are updated. Now, please go to price list menu. You can see all the prices are already updated. You can now do a cash billing for checking these prices. Enter the item code. You can see the price is already appearing automatically. You can also see the invoice is automatically calculated with applicable taxes. Please note, these taxes are just example and will be calculated as per applicable tax rates. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your organization. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.